Welcome to 6815 Russet Springs Lane. From the moment you approach, you will be mesmerized with fabulous curb appeal. The front door is flanked with porches that make this home so inviting. Step inside and your eyes will be taken by the views of the pool through the windows in the family room and lead you directly into the home. Imagine all the fun you'll have preparing food for family and friends in this kitchen. As you know, everyone always ends up in the kitchen, and there is plenty of room for everyone. And don't miss the great storage, yards of gorgeous granite, double ovens, and gas cooking. The family room is home to this beautiful two-story stone fireplace complete with a hearth. Gorgeous travertine floors are throughout most of the downstairs. As you walk into the master suite, you'll see just what a retreat it is with the nice-sized sitting area. The master bath has a whirlpool tub, large shower, 2 closets, and gorgeous finishes. The study and the dining room are located in the front of the home, with windows looking onto the porches. Upstairs, you'll find a study area as you approach the game room. Look at the size of the game room. And off of it, there is a nice-sized media room in which the family can enjoy movies at any time. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs, each a nice size and all with en-suite baths. One shares a bath with the game room, and the other 2 bedrooms share a Hollywood bath. This last bedroom has access to the balcony. let's explore the backyard. Just look at this pool with water features, a spa, and flagstone coping and accents. And the outdoor living space is begging you to come spend time here. Notice there is also a fire pit for cozy conversations around the fire and room for play equipment.